Find or read reviews that people are talking about EPJJi Upgrade Glass Cleaning Board, 2024 New Glass Coating. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Water resistant. Our glass cleaning board enhances windshield water resistance, ensuring a clear and unobstructed view in rainy weather. Glass cleaning board. Our windshield glass coating repels water with a waterproof effect, maximizing visibility during rainy conditions. Versatile and effective. Ideal for auto glass, windows, mirrors, and shower doors. Repels rain and water, providing exceptional visibility and clarity. Easy to use. Simply apply the glass cleaning board with the built-in applicator for complete windshield coverage in minutes. Wide applications. For all types of glass surfaces, including automotive windshields, car windows, and mirrors. Get the clarity you need in any situation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.